in the Congress about getting rid of the gas tax to reduce the price of gas. And Biden said he would veto that because he needs the gas tax for the Green New Deal. Now, how do you like that? You going broke is much more important than losing the gas tax. Okay, anyway, now let's get started with what we were going to start with. GETREV is a new blockchain-based marketplace for trading digital assets, NFTs. Now that's something new and hot, according to the user's interests, including a built-in smart merchant account for business owners. Now I'm starting with a new slide today. It explains first of all, to get even started, we have to go through the crypto market capitalization, because that explains why we're doing our crowdfunding. Crypto capitalization is the total value of cryptocurrency, whereas the stock market capitalization is calculated by multiplying the share price times outstanding shares. Crypto market capitalization is calculated by multiplying the price of cryptocurrency with the number of coins in circulation. We must calculate the market cap as a simple calculation below. It takes the market cap, total circulating supply of cryptocurrency, times the price of each coin. Now, we did not have enough coins in circulation, so we started a crowdfunding that give me 2 cents and I'm going to give you a 5-cent crypto coin. And we have 2 million coins ordered. They're going to be delivered anytime now. It got delayed because our coders were coding that new platform they have for developers that are doing the new DApp platform that's free for developers to develop applications for the blockchain, and they'll put them in the toy store, it's called, believe it or not, and that's free, all free. And if you do it at Binance, you got to pay for it, but our Zilionixx doing it for free. Now our crowd sale, here's the link up here at the top. If you click that link, you'll go to the crowd sale page. Prices as follows. Till April 30th, the 1 GTR coin is 2 cents USD, and that's a 5-cent coin. Once we get into this presentation, you're going to see it's 5 cents. That's the value. Plus the first time purchase, you'll get 10% more coins. Only on your first time purchase though. Not any purchase after that. But that's why we're doing it, because we need to increase the amount of circulating GTRV coins. And we've got a coin, not a token. So if you went 2 cents times 1,000 coins, you'd have 50,000 GTRV coins. That's worth $2,500 right now today. So you could convert $1,000 to $2,500 right instantly and get 10% monthly while doing it, because we'll pay you. Here's the benefits of having the GETREV coin. You're going to get 10% monthly profit until launching. You're going to get a 10% thank you bonus on first time purchase. You're going to profit handsomely on the pre-sale price. Become one of our founding members. For $400, you can have 1,000 coins and become a founding member and get 10 shares of stock. Earn more from the referral rewards. Now, the good thing about the referral rewards, if you refer somebody on the crowdfunding page, you're going to get 10% of what they purchase, but you're going to get it in 2-cent coins. So you're going to, for $100, you'd have $25 in referrals. Now, this is true protection from inflation. And I'm not going to mention gender, and I'm not going to mention inequality. Everybody's equal in this plan. Everybody has a chance to make as much as they want. Life is up to us, not up to the government. I'm from the government. I'm here to help, right? the old story goes, and that's not very much help. That's I'm here from the government, and you're going to suffer. Special offer on GETREV gift certificate. Now, this is just till April 30th. If you get $100 worth of GETREV coins, you're going to get 1 share of stock that goes with it, and you will become a mini founding member. But you'll be a founding member. You know, that share you will get paid for. If we ever sell the company, all the outstanding shares in the company will have to be paid, and we'll pay according to how much we get paid. We guess it at $100 a share at least. Now, get to know the GETREV protocol. The GETREV protocol is a 3-layer architecture divided into a storage layer, and the type of code they're using is POS. That's the best and most secure and the easiest to work with, and it's an enhanced POS. They did some enhancing with AI. We have a core layer, and then on top of that is the application layer. The GETREV protocol adheres to the Google protocol buffers, which are free and open source and cross-platform, and they format used to serialize structured data, and it's useful in developing programs to communicate with each other over the network and over for storing data. Now, I learned yesterday that there's several different kinds of blockchains, and that's important. I just kept watching it for hours, you know, about blockchain, and it's very interesting how it's all structured. And POS, they said, was the most solid of all of them. Our smart contract is written in the Solidity language. Once written and tested, it can be compiled into bitcode, then deployed onto GETREV network for GETREV virtual machines. Once deployed, smart contracts can be queried via contract address and contract application, a binary interface, which we'll show you on your website. The referral rewards, we'll get into that later. Our marketplace, we're going to have a mini Amazon where you can buy and sell products on that mini Amazon. If you have products that you sell all the time and you want to sell them on our platform, we will make a nice picture for you and a nice display, and you'll be able to sell them and put your own text there on the product of what you want, and we'll add you will sell them for free. It doesn't cost you anything to sell your products. We'll add 10% to the price of the product. If it's $50, that would be $5 that we would add. We would give you 50, we would take 5, and that's our fee. And the consumer pays it, not you. So once the seller gets the better end of the deal, and about time. You're the one that's having the product up there, taking the risk, and you should get the reward. Storing digital currency, and our mission is to create an open financial system for the world, to be the leading brand for helping people convert digital currency in and out of their local currency. Now, that we can do with apps and different things that are out there on the market now. And smart merchant account is the next generation. Now, that's what we're adding to the mix. Now, that's going to be our value added, and that's going to make our coin more valuable because of the smart merchant account. I'll explain how. The next generation of smart merchant account that ensures safer, faster transaction processing speed for completing a consensus algorithm based on a nonce chain layer, combines a hash chain and a DAG that allows businesses to accept payments in multiple ways. And we have our GETREV fund where we help a little bit with worthy causes. And I'm not going to mention war in Ukraine for one. Now, testnet versus mainnet. And if you're not on the mainnet, I heard a term yesterday. I'm going to repeat it exactly as I heard it. So if your ears get offended, I'm sorry. But they called some coins shit coins. And a shit coin is a coin that is not on the main net. If it's not on the main net, that means they're hiding stuff about their coin. They're hiding their blockchain. They're hiding how many coins they have. They're hiding. That means they're trying to get you. Now, we're going to be fully transparent, so that's not going to be us. A testnet is a test network, and I just wanted to share that with you because it's something I learned yesterday I didn't even know. Is an experimental network where developers can test, create, and modify functionalities and monitor the blockchain and network performance. They fix bugs of all kinds and network failures. That's what we did. They reuse test files to ensure accurate comparison between test runs. This sandbox environment enables developers to take risks and experiment and find out the best ways possible to model a stable version and implementation on the mainnet. All these happen at the scale of controlled manner. Testnet ensures the mainnet deployment happens faster, and that's actually what's holding up our coin delivery. Is we have to be on the mainnet so we can get on Binance, Coinbase in the U.S., Binance in the U.S., Binance U.S., and other big exchanges. There's thousands of exchanges out there. We're going to have our own exchange at some point when we launch, but that's going to be the last thing to open because that takes $1.5 million alone to fund an exchange at minimum. Now, the mainnet network is the final, most stable, and fully functional version of the blockchain, and stable and fully functional version of the blockchain. Let me repeat that. Mainnet enables dApps, that's like our merchant account, to be launched for public use. They have to be tested, of course. They see an increased number of validators. Now, those people are incentivized with tokens of real value. All transactions are live on the mainnet. Projects with mainnet are always considered more mature. It gives users the confidence that their project puts lots of effort and resources into that, because the mainnet has gone through a rigorous evaluation process and evaluators. Now, you can become a mainnet evaluator through Zilionixx. They offer that for if you purchase 50 tokens. Those 50 tokens will be placed as on the mainnet as validator, and you will earn tokens every time you validate a transaction. That means you would get paid and paid and paid and paid, and you'd make more than the 50 tokens you put up in the first place just from validating transactions. So it's really worth that 50 tokens you'd have to buy. So I just wanted to tell you that you can go to Zilionixx and find it out for yourself, but it's definitely a great offer. Now, the coin wallet. GETREV wallet is software used to store and receive cryptocurrency, and that happens instantly. When you send a cryptocurrency, that's instant. GETREV coin is a virtual currency coin. It is a denomination of a cryptocurrency. It represents a tradable asset or utility and resides on its own blockchain and allows a holder to use it for investment or economic purposes. GETREV is now available at GETREVCoin.com. We did have 10,000 coins that we ran that were on Meta. What's the name of that wallet? MetaMask. and we had 10,000 coins there, but they long gone. That was our test run, just to prove out our coin. And now we're working on getting on the mainnet. Here's our corporation, and GETREV owns our own blockchain. Now that's the most important thing, leaving endless opportunities to create new tokens and coins and smart contracts for other companies. Plus, owning our blockchain allows us to innovate and add functionality we can create, like our merchant account. That's going to be big. We're going to start with online sellers first, because that's the most logical. Our blockchain coders are top notch, and they did our project in 4 weeks rather than 6 weeks. That's how good they are. Now they're working on getting our coins made, and then getting us on the main net. We have to be on the main net in order to pay out coins so that you can go cash them in if you need to. But I advise against that, because that'll lower the value of our GETREV coin. Don't want to do that. And they're introducing us to our law firm in Singapore, where we are eventually going to incorporate internationally. Why we are different, and what do exchanges look for to price a coin? That isn't up there, but this is what they look for to price our coin. What is the real daily volume for the coin? Exchanges would link to our API and access our public data, and we would have data candles set up for every minute throughout the day, and that is real transparency. That's what they look for to price a coin. Are these people giving us all the data they have, honest data, real data, or are they making it up? They don't want made up data, and if you make it up, you're going to get a transparency rating of a D or F. Our transparency rating needs to be an A, and that's what we'll get for best valuation, because we'll even display the amount of holding in the escrow account to pay out the smart contract accounts. Now, if we were not transparent, we wouldn't have this crowd sale at 2 cents. We just make up any number of coins that we have in circulation and multiply it by whatever we want it. But we want an honest company. So that's why the crowd sale. We want to actually get the coins in circulation. The plan, we will show the plan on our we have the plan on our website. You can become a member and log into your website, go to tools, and you can download this exact presentation and read everything on it for yourself. And it has the white paper there. You can read the white paper, go through that. We're going to be changing that a little bit, add the merchant account, add some other things to it that we want to add. Exchanges want to know we're set up legally, and so they want to know, they want your corporate papers, they want your KYC, and exchanges will go through everything to make sure you're legal. And Singapore goes through everything. They're going to check us out too. They're going to go through KYC. Once we complete that, then we can be incorporated in Singapore and get everything we need. But we're going to go through it the right way. And then we're going to have a complaint desk in the legal structure area, where you can go if you have a complaint or something's wrong with your account. You can put it there and we'll get it fixed, and there you'll see how we handle customer service. That's important, that we handle customer service. Know your crypto coin value. Now this is important. This number of nodes have a big impact on the coin's value. A node is a wallet is a node, or any device storing any number of coins. So our merchant account obviously stores coins, so that's a node. The more nodes means the more chance of having a big daily volume. Now, how the merchant account works, so I'll just explain this briefly, is you use your credit card, and you will be making a purchase using that your credit card. Now, what you do is you would just pull out your credit card, you do the transaction like you do any transaction, but what you're buying are coins. You're buying next GETREV coins, and those coins will then buy the product or service that you want to buy, and that is going to raise our daily value and going to raise our nodes. As everybody uses the merchant account, you're going to have a wallet, and we're going to keep that wallet with a few coins in it open, so if you ever use the merchant account again, we'll have permanent growth all the time, growing and growing from people using the merchant account, and that will grow the value of the coin very fast. When they see purchases of the coin like that, they'll take notice real quick. We'll assign a debit card, a virtual debit card, to each wallet, making GETREV the only cryptocurrency that can be spent instantly at any merchant accepting it. Like at our mini Amazon, the debit card will work right there. So if you have extra coins and you want to buy something, you go to the board, you'll buy it, and with your debit card, and there you go, you got it. And used to allow merchants fees. So the little bit of fees we add to it, that lets us do the merchant account for free for 30 days so they can try it. And we have the technology. We've been doing debit cards for many years. It's actually the same technology for 40 years. Now this is our GETREV debit card. You can withdraw your earnings from your monthly profit referral commissions at any time. However, the growth chart in one of the previous slides is based upon reinvesting your daily profit. And that's once we have our exchange in full function. A friendly suggestion is anyone needing to earn money for daily expenses, start referring others, and significant income can be earned by referring others. Now, if we pay you in coins, you can take those coins, you can take them to Binance, you can take them to Coinbase, wherever you want. Another statistic I learned yesterday was baby boomers, my generation, were the lowest users of cryptocurrency out of any generation. And it would be the first place you would think that baby boomers would put their money, because they can see a growth in the amount of money they have, plus it's protected from inflation. But baby boomers don't get it. It's too complicated. They think it's way over their head, but it's not. It's really very simple. Get excited with our profit pools. Earn how we earn the profits through an offers. Now, some of this money goes right into that escrow account to pay smart contracts, plus 1 million coins we have in reserve for contracts. Now, marketplace, that's where we're going to make a lot of our money. We're adding 10% to every sale on the mini Amazon. Plus, we'll add a fee on NFTs. Anybody selling an NFT, of course, you'll pay a fee for that. Just like at the exchange, you'll pay a fee. And the marketplace, we earn 10% on every product sold. If we sold 1,000 products a day, that would turn into a lot of money. Now, who knows how many we're going to sell, but if we do sell a lot of products, that will be a big income earner. 10% adds up very quickly. Advertising, we've been advertising for years, and that's another thing we do. Crypto profits, oh boy. There's so much money in crypto profits. When we buy coins in the exchange that go up in value, we'll sell off some of those coins, and the profit we make will go right into the escrow account. Crypto trading, we're going to buy 7 coins per month for our trading purposes. We'll let you know what those coins are. If you want to buy them too, you can, and they're expected to go up in value, and we should make money on every single one of them. And then we'll tell you 24 hours before we sell ours, so you can sell yours before us and get the most money. Next Rev sales, of course, we make money on that. And our GETREV sales should be cryptocurrency. Again, we make money on cryptocurrency. That's a no-brainer. Anytime cryptocurrency goes up, we sell it, we made money. Any payment that goes, that we make money, because we charge a small fee on everything that comes in or out for the exchange. That's to cover the cost for us, so we don't lose money on it. We don't want to lose money on anything. the GTRV coin. We're actually going to make money on that. When the coin goes up in value, we will sell off some coins, and we'll give you some coins of your profit to sell off, so we can bring the price of the coin back down. We don't want it to grow too fast, but we want it to grow. But it has to be at scale. Our smart merchant account, that's going to be the baby that's going to set us up and make us different from everyone else. Nobody will have that smart merchant account but GETREV. Referrals, of course, we make money on referrals, and I had a dream last night that 50 members of ours came to the webinar and had one guest each, and we made sales like crazy. And I wish that dream were true every single day. 50 people bringing 50 members in. Exchange trading. Now we're going to have a full trading platform for members to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies and to learn how to do them. Now, NFT platforms. Now, an NFT is anything that's unique, one of a kind, and what happens is you mint that NFT and sell it. So if you have a painting, it's one of a kind, it's by an artist, he signs it, and it's unique. You can make an NFT out of it, and mint it with a token, and anytime that artwork is exchanged and sold again, you will make a royalty on it because you're the owner of it. Exchange profits. Some exchanges make millions of dollars a year alone just by running the exchange. Look at Coinbase. All they are is an exchange. They don't have a coin. Consumer to consumer sales. Now that's going to be big for us in the marketplace. We're going to have so much. See, those are all income streams. Then there's more. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is an agreement between two people in the form of computer code. Instead of a handshake, it's just a little bit of computer code. It's like a script that runs on the blockchain, and they are stored in the public database and cannot be changed. But everything is there, and it's been proven in court that the blockchain is law, and if you have a smart contract on the blockchain, it's law. You could have a mortgage on the blockchain. You could have a car loan on the blockchain. It never would change. A smart contract is a time deposit or remarkably similar. However, smart contracts are built to function on the blockchain and have enormous potential for success. But the daily profit is determined by the contract you select. And yesterday they called it dumb contracts because the code is so simple, but it has to be right in order to function properly. That's where the testing comes in. Now, if you get a GETREV contract, you can start with $100. Now you can see here you get 2,000 GTRV coins. That's a nickel per coin. So I'm not kidding when I tell you, give me 2 cents, I'll give you a nickel. You're getting 2,000 coins. That's a nickel per coin. $10 monthly, 280, 5,600. But that's greatly increased if you get $100. Guess what? That gives you $250. So you would have a $250 smart contract. You'd start with 5,000 GTRV coins, 25 a month, $700, 14,000. See the difference between the two? Paying 2 cents gets you to 2,500. Now let's go to our founding membership. That's the important one. Now these are B shares. You get 1 share at $100. And every $100 that you spend, you get 1 share on our founding membership. Only because of the gift certificate, until April 30th will you be a founding member with 1 share. 20,000, or you already saw the difference. It'd be $250, but it doesn't matter. You can buy a smart contract for any amount. It doesn't have to be these set amounts. You can buy it for any amount you want. Now, a $1,000, and that's the average that people do come in with, is $1,000. and they get 10 shares of stock when they come in as a founding member. That'd be 20,000 GTRV coins at a nickel, $100 monthly, $2,800, and 56,000 GTRV coins. Now remember, when we go back to a nickel, that's going to be the price. So if you want to get in for less, now is the time to do it. Don't wait. See what happens. One of those see what happens and wait. Then you lose out on all this money that you could have had. So April 30th, we're going to go up to 2 cents, and GTRV, I'm just going through this again to remind you, 10% bonus for new members. I won't waste a lot of time, but 2 cents at $1,000 would get you 50,000 GTRV coins, $2,500, 10% monthly until we launch, and a 10% bonus for first-time purchase. Benefits of having the GTR: 10% monthly profit until launch, and just said that. 10% thank you bonus for first-time purchase, just said that. Profit handsomely from pre-sale price, of course you will. You're getting 60% off. Become one of the founding members, earn more from referral rewards. And when you refer somebody on the crowdfunding site, you get your referral rewards as 2 cents. So you get more money from your referral rewards. And this is true protection from inflation. And we're giving you money to save you from 10% that you're losing to inflation. We're giving it back to you in the price. Special gift certificate offer just until April 30th. $100 will get you 1 share of stock and a mini founding membership. It'll get you started, and you'll have 250 GTRV coins. Okay, the referral reward plan. Those who choose to refer others will be rewarded a percentage of the contract amount of those who referred through infinite levels of referred members. Not infinite, it's actually 12 levels. Referral commissions will appear in your funding account, where they will draw profit, but can be withdrawn at any time. Offer starts with level 1 at 10%. Referring others is not required to earn passive income, but a nice way to earn extra income is referring others. If you come alone, you come to learn. If you come with somebody, you come to earn. That's a fact. I know it sounds corny, but it's still a fact, that it never is going to change. If you invite somebody with you, you're coming to earn. Now, how the referrals work is very simple. If you buy the coins on the crowdfunding page, you're going to get your referral rewards at 2 cents per coin. So that's going to be, okay, let's say you refer somebody $100, you're going to get 10% of that at 2 cents a coin, so you will have earned $25 instead of $10. That's a big difference in the amount you earn. And then if your direct referrals refer somebody, that's 5%. So on your second level, 5%, your third level, 3%, 2%, then 1% for 12 levels. Now we actually give you another bonus. If you have 5 referrals, 250 GTRV coins, we give you 250 coins for 5 paid referrals. So if they buy coins, you get 250. Now, if you get 100 referrals, that's 70,000 GTRV coins bonus. I think somebody made this bonus. Did you tell Rodell to code this in? Okay. She got her bonus. She got her 5 referral rewards. Okay, so if you get these bonuses, they're good. 10 referrals, 500 extra coins, free. Now, if you like our Facebook page and you share it, we'll give you 20 coins each. 20 coins, GTRV coins. If you like our Instagram page, you share it, you'll get 20 coins. If you like our YouTube page, and you subscribe and share it, and subscribe is the most important because we need subscribers on there. 30 GTRV coins. Now, smart merchant account. This sets us apart from the rest. Our plan for the new GETREV coin is to give business owners an alternate merchant account that protect them from chargebacks and works just like a regular merchant account. The only difference is the purchase is made in cryptocurrency, but they're paid in actual fiat dollars if they want it. GETREV coin will be fully licensed cryptocurrency, including cryptocurrency. The cash exchange will have a license for that, and that's expensive, but it's worth it. We will not charge merchants any fees for using our complete merchant solution for the first 30 days. It's try it before you buy it. That way you know it works for you. How can I earn more? You can quickly increase your daily profit amount by either adding more money to your account. Obviously, just add more money. If somebody bought $300 today, if they would have bought $100 more, they would have been able to be a founding member. They would have had enough for 1,000 GTRV coins and been a founding member with 10 shares of stock. For example, you could start with $100 and your account referring just one person at the regular normal $1,000, you would get 10% or $100 in referral commissions and greatly increase the value size of your own account and the value of your account. So that's how you can make more money. And here's and here is Zilionixx. This is our partner company. And this is who does all of our coding, is getting us on the main net, creating our 2 million coins. These guys have a solid reputation. You cannot find anything on the internet about Zilionixx that you wouldn't want to hear. First of all, I'm going to meet Dr. Joe Lau in Singapore. That's where he lives, Joanne Lau. I'll meet her. And Timothy, I don't know when I'll meet him. He's in Japan, so I don't know when I'll go to Japan. And then Raymond, I'll meet him. He's a digital marketer, so he knows about marketing. Zilionixx offers AI smart contracts, full trading platform, exchanges. That's what they're making for us. Layer for D-apps for aspiring game devs or whatever they want to make, and that is free for D-app makers. Medical services you can put on the blockchain. It's safe, secure. Metaverse games. I don't understand the metaverse yet, but I'm going to work on it. NFTs and NFT games. They'll have both of those on the platform, and we'll be sharing the NFT platform with Zilionixx. So that's going to be something that's going to help us. We'll have it on our website, but it'll be a version of their platform. Fastest transfer rate at lowest fees. That's their main tagline. Now we have our board up on our website. You can see them. And okay, Zilionixx.com. And then go to their crowd sale page and read about how you can become a mainnet validator and earn coins. And I mean, you can earn a lot of coins. It used to be you could earn when Bitcoin first started, and you were doing mining, you could earn 50 coins a day. Now I doubt you could earn 50 coins a day, but even if you earn 10 coins a day, that's worth $10.25 in ZNX, because they pay you in ZNX tokens worth $1.24. Now that's what you can get for them right now at any exchange. Now here's our link, GETREVCoin.com, email support@GETREVCoin.com. Our phone number, 904-902-0141. Here's our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like every video that you watch. Here's our official Facebook. Please share that. Our Twitter handle, GETREVCoin, share that. Our Instagram, please share that. like it and share it. And if you want to keep up with all the information about GetRev, go to our Skype channel, and all members are kind of linked up there, and they ask questions and get them answered, and it's a great place to find out what's going on with GetRev. Okay, do we have any questions after that? I don't hear anybody. Okay, no questions, then we will go to the end. Okay, I thank you all for coming. If you didn't understand, if this is your first time here, I suggest you please come again tomorrow, same time, same place, because this information takes a while to understand, and once you get it, and then you can share it with other people, and you can know it yourself, and it's good information for you. But remember what I said. President Biden does not want to remove the gas tax because it'll hurt the Green New Deal. So we're in the Green New Deal whether you want to be or not. Unfortunate, but true. All right, God bless you. Bye-bye.